Hi! Okay, so I thought I'd make a little vlog. Probably not the best place to be vlogging, but I also wanted to show my laundry room. So just doing the last lot of laundry, and that's mine. And this is my laundry room, and I love my laundry room. There's music playing all the time. There's a broken, whatever that is, books, and a pretty girl doing laundry at like, what time is it, like 2 a.m.? Nothing new there. I think it's maybe a handful of times that I did laundry at like a normal time. And then sometimes I even bump into people when it's like weird hours. I'm like, this is supposed to be my time? What are you doing here? But yeah, so an hour for laundry and then I'm gonna go finish packing. I'm happy, 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 and I can't wait to get out of the city. In LA, I'm gonna have the nicest body soon. Hi guys. Okay, so I realized I have not been vlogging at all this like moving to LA journey, but it's been crazy. Basically, like I was supposed to leave on Monday and I was sick, and now I'm leaving on Wednesday, so tomorrow. Okay, it's crazy, but still not done packing. Like 4.5 suitcases later. Yeah, and I don't even know, like I'm stuck now. Like we were trying to measure and weigh the thing, and yeah, I don't even know what to do anymore. Like this is like my electronic stuff and like my computer stuff, and I'm not even done. Like I gotta still pack a bunch of that, and then there's like my PC that I got professionally packed because I had so much anxiety about it. So hopefully this is okay. I don't really know what's going on in the bedroom right now. Okay, and I'm gonna take a few of my dolls. Excuse me, I'm sick. I have a sinus infection. Sinus infection. You cannot judge the mess because it's obviously because I'm moving to another country and I still gotta pack like my makeup stuff and then like some skincare stuff down there. Okay, yeah, so I guess I'll update you guys in the morning when we're going to the airport. So we might end up having 5.5 suitcases. I don't know, and I already have 2 full suitcases in LA of clothes. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't need all this stuff. I don't need all this stuff. And just a quick little, isn't it ironic that I'm wearing a Vancouver Canucks shirt and that was gonna be? That's my last job in Vancouver. I dropped the uniform off and Peter's like, why are you leaving? And I was like, I'm going to LA. He's like, why? I'm like, I'm an actress. Anyways, can't wait. Look at Mocha. She's been so dumbfounded for 2 days. Like, what's going on? Why is the final piece of the puzzle still look like this? So, this is what my place looks like right now. Super clean.
My desk, all my pieces.
Oh my god, it's here in the car. The stuff's in the car. Goodbye, building. Where in there are it's happening, but I'm not gonna jinx it yet. I look like shit right now. It's also where I'm wearing a hat. But LA seems really fitting, right? Because I'm finally going there. Yeah, so I always get so much anxiety at like customs. Like I just think that I've had like so many like mean American agents that I just get so scared for no reason. And especially this time, I got a whole ass visa, man. A whole I-20 visa, bitch. And I was still scared. And he was so nice. He even just checked it and stuff. And then he was like, he just asked me about what's my computer for. I have no idea. We are just walking to nowhere. Last time I will be seeing Raptors representation for a while. Other than me, of course.
Can we just take a moment to just like look at this dog? Look at her. Do you see? Do you see her? Do you see her? Oh my god, she doesn't know which way to go. It's so funny.
So now we're finally waiting for our flight, which is in 2 hours. I'm getting a beer.
A beer is a good idea.
Cheers. Oh my god, I saw Kyle and I didn't realize how much I missed seeing him. And his big booty. You guys, my flight is boarding, so I have to go, but I had to do the mandatory washroom fit check. Because, and I just met a guy who works at Twitch, or he used to, but what are the, dude, signs? Signs are everywhere, what I'm telling you guys. And he lives in LA. Oh, she's so cute.
And Mocha's here. She's not allowed to be, but she snuck out of her cage. So we just brought her.
She's snoring. Okay, so we have arrived. I don't know why Mocha's walking so weird. Literally like one step at a time. It's okay, Mocha. That's how we do life. One step at a time. The whole kimono is grabbing the suitcases with a million things that she's wearing. Thank you. Okay, I forget. In Canada, we were leaving our stuff for like unattended so long, but we're in the States now. You can't drop a purse and expect it to be okay. Right, Mocha? Hey, I need to tie my shoelaces. Where's my boyfriend to do it? Oh my god. Hi guys, okay, we made it. Unfortunately, we weren't able to take a video of the hecticness in the airport, but it was so funny. And then we were like, oh, and then these men were trying to help us, and we're like, we got it, we're strong. Oh, and then, but yeah, now we're in the Jeep with my sister's boyfriend, and he helped us. And now we're going to her house, and I could just tell she's just so happy we're here. It's amazing. She's just all smiles when she greeted us. Like, how lucky are we? I'm so tired, guys. Literally my neck hurts like all the way up to my brain. My back is so tight. My arms too. This arm feels like I ripped it off. I have an audition due at 12, and I have an international student orientation at 9 a.m. And then I have a huge audition due Friday, which I really gotta kill, but I gotta find somewhere to go tape it because I really want it to be professional. But I'm so happy to be here. No complaints. This is my sister's room. She's giving it to us for the next week, and then the other room is gonna be free, and it's gonna be my room for a month until I find somewhere else to live. Do you guys hear that? First night in LA, and it's literally 2 a.m. and there's birds singing. Tell me they aren't welcoming me. I have never heard birds at 2 a.m. They're like, welcome little signs, we're so happy to have you. You can hear it, right? That's what they're saying.